Good morning, students. We have studied till be verbs, and today we are going to study more about helping verbs. Students, as we know that the total number of helping verb is 22. They are helping verbs are do, does, did, is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, shall, will, should, would, can, could, may, might, must, ought to, and used to. These are helping verbs. Among them, some are be verbs. Some are be verbs, as we have studied in last class. Some verbs show possession. Possession means adhikar. Possession means adhikar. They are has, have, had, shall have, and will have. Has, have, had, shall have, will have. These auxiliary verbs or helping verb shows possession. Possession means adhikar. Example. I have a car. I have a car. मेरे पास एक कार है. Here, helping verb have denotes possession on car. यह कार पे अधिकार बताता है. किस व्यक्ति का? सब्जेक्ट I का. I have possession on car. I have a car means मेरे पास एक कार है. So the verb have denotes possession. We have two houses. Here, have also shows possession. He had an old car. उसके पास एक पुरानी कार थी। Here the word had also denotes possession on old car. We shall have a new house. हम लोगों को एक नया घर होगा। The word shall have also shows possession on a new house in future. Rohan has a new bicycle. In the sentence, the word has also denotes possession on a new bicycle. Sharita will have a new book. सरिता को एक नई किताब होगी। In this sentence, the verb will have also denotes possession on a new book. In this way, students, these helping verbs shows possession. Have, had, shall have, has, will have. These helping verbs shows possession on anything. Students, now we shall know use of helping verb with subjects. Students, in these helping verbs, some helping verbs are called modals and they are used with all subjects. Some helping verbs which are also called modals. They are used with all subjects. Example, modals are, which of them are modals? Modals are shall, will, should, would, can, could, may, might, must, ought to, and used to. These are modal verbs and they are used with all subjects. Example, subject I. If we take shall, I shall play cricket. If we take we shall play chess. If we take should, I should take an exercise. If we take he shall go to Patna. If we take the subject he will play cricket. If we take you must play football. You must play football. In this way, we saw these auxiliary verb or modal verbs can be used with all subjects. We can also use them with they may go there. It suggests permission, but may is used with they, and like they may can be used with all subjects. So students, modal verbs such as shall, will, should, would, can, could, may, might, must, ought to, used to. These modal verbs can be used with any subject. Now we shall know use of different subjects. Sub-helping verbs which are used with different subjects, such as subject, helping verbs. If we take subject I, there are many helping verbs which are used with I, such as do, did, am, was, have, had. They are do, did, am, was, have, and had. They are used with I. If we take the subject we, you, and they, the three subjects are in plural form, and some auxiliary verbs are used with them. They are do, did, are, were, have, had. Students, we, you, and they take, do, did, are, were, have, and had as helping verb. And now the subject he, she, it, and name. These are in singular form, so they take does, did, is, was, has, and had. Students, subject I take, do, did, am, was, have, and had in different tenses. Subject we, you, they. These subjects take, do, did, are, were, have, and had with them. And subject he, she, it, and name. These subjects take, does, did, is, was, has, and had. We can use these helping verbs with these different subjects. Example. If we take subject I, we can use do, such as I do not play cricket. If we use did, I did not write this letter. This letter. In this way, if we use subject we are going to Patna. To Patna. If we take subject they were buying some books. If we take subject he was learning English grammar. If we take subject name, Ram has eaten 5 mangoes. If we take subject you have come to me. If we take subject it is raining. Students, here so many examples that show use of helping verbs with different subjects. As if we use subject I, then there are several helping verbs which can be used with I, such as do, did. I do not play cricket. मैं क्रिकेट नहीं खेलता हूँ. I did not write this letter. मैंने इस पत्र को नहीं लिखा. We, if we use subject we, and then many helping verbs can be used with we, they and you. We are going to Patna. Are is used with we. We are going to Patna. Where can be used with we. Like this, they were buying some books. वे लोग कुछ किताबें खरीद रहे थे. Were is used with they, and it also used with we and you, because were is a plural helping verb and it can be used with plural subject, and we, they and you are plural. Like this, he was learning English grammar. Here helping verb was is used with he. Ram has eaten 5 mangoes. Helping verb has is used with Ram. In this way, there are so many helping verbs which can be used with different subjects. Students, we shall see once again about use of helping verb with different subjects. Do, does, did, is, am, are, has, have, had, and must, ought to, used to. These are helping verbs. Among them, some are be verbs. As I have told in the last class. And some helping verbs shows possession. Possession has, have, had, shall have, and will have. They show possession. Possession means adhikar. And rest are modal verbs. They can be used with all subjects, and some helping verbs are used with different subjects. They are do, does, did, is, am, are, was, were, had, such as I do not play cricket. Do is used with I. I did not write this letter. Did is used with I. We are going to Patna. Are is used with we. They were buying some books. Here were is used with they. He was learning English grammar. In this sentence, was is used with he. Ram has eaten 5 mangoes. Here has have used with Ram. You have come to me. Here have is used with you. It is raining. Here is used with it. In this way, different helping verbs are used with different subjects. Students, I hope that you must have understood about use of helping verbs. Thank you very much.